Okay, so now we know the times of the days of the week, isn't it? Now we want to know the time expressions within a day. Isikhathi selanga. You know, we said, for example, in the previous two lessons, they are what we call morning greetings, afternoon greetings, evening greetings. But we need to know how to express the different times across the day. We start with morning. Morning is ekuseni. Ekuseni, in the morning. Afternoon is emini. Emini. All right? So notice that we are saying as if we are pointing. It's like a demonstrative of some sort. Okay? That's why we are saying ekuseni means in the morning. It doesn't just mean morning. If you want to say a morning, it will be ikuseni. So we're saying ekuseni to point to a specific time. Emini, in the afternoon. Ntambama. Ntambama is in the evening. Selithambeme ilanga. So we are saying the sun's heat is now low, right? And the sun is going down, all right? And we call that ntambama. And then at night we say ebusuku. 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 Midnight. Phakathi kwamabili, meaning in between two suns, or in between 2 days, right? Phakathi kwamabili. Amabili means 2 days. So you can also say phakathi kobusuku, in the middle of the night, because we said ebusuku means night. So midnight, phakathi kobusuku, phakathi is in the middle of. And then at dawn, you say emadabukakusa. So there are many time expressions that are actually used to refer to the dawn, to the time of dawn. For example, one can say emadabukakusa. Ukudabuka is to tear up or to originate. Udabuka ngapi? Ngidabuka emzansi. Right? So ukudabuka kokusa, at the origins of the morning, or the rising of the sun. Ukusa kwelanga, the rising of the sun. So emadabukakusa, where the morning originates from. Some would say ematatakusa. Ematatakusa. Ukutata is to take, okay? In some cases also to marry. But in this case, ematatakusa would be where the rising sun is taken from, right? Or entatakusa. Entatakusa, right? And so even the evening times, there are also other time expressions that you are going to learn of as time goes on, even as we get to the advanced stages of the language. So you hear expressions such as empondo zankomo, selibantu bahle, and other expressions. So you will find that there are more time expressions that you will get to know of as you become more and more familiar with the language, and as you keep practicing. Remember, practice. You can never learn a language if you do not practice. Find somebody that you can speak to. Find somebody that you can learn with. It's more fun that way. And so even when you're doing your greetings, you say something, they respond, and so forth and so forth. Also, look for Ndebele dictionaries. We've got isichazamazwi sesiNdebele, which is the first and only monolingual dictionary published in Ndebele, and we've got other specialized terms dictionaries like isichazamazwi sezomculo, which is a musical terms dictionary, right? And then you may find also some grammar books so that you learn as we go. Research, also find out what the internet says, and then you can compare with what we are learning here, and we can ask questions on our comment section. You can Also, write what you think, display what you have learned. Remember to share these lessons and to invite others to like the lessons as well.